All right, the kids are out of school. It's getting warmer every day and it's basically summertime. And I don't know about you, but when summer rolls around, usually every single year, my routine gets totally disrupted and my schedule changes a bunch. So that just makes it a little bit harder to stay on track with eating healthy. You don't want to cook, at least I don't. I don't even want to turn the oven on when it gets hot. And it just seems so tempting to stop at a fast food place or to order takeout. Well, have no fear because this video is for you if you're finding yourself kind of in that little predicament. I'm going to be showing you two super simple recipes that you can make for meal prep, one breakfast and one more of a lunch dinner type meal. And guess what? Neither of them involve any cooking whatsoever. It's just assembling. So let's head over to the kitchen and get started. See you there. So unfortunately, the video didn't save when I recorded this recipe, but these are blueberry banana overnight oats. I'll just let you pause this video and kind of take in the recipe. There's only a few ingredients and this is a super easy no-cook breakfast for you. Okay, for Southwest quesadillas, we're gonna have corn, black beans, we need sour cream, we need some softened cream cheese, lots of spices like cumin and cayenne pepper, we've got olive oil, green onions, garlic, jalapeno, red pepper, cheddar cheese, cilantro, just a rotisserie chicken, super easy, and then burrito style tortillas. So what you do is just mix mostly everything all together. And then we're just gonna mix all the chicken in there as well. The only thing I've left out right now is the cheddar cheese, cilantro, and green onions. So I'm mixing everything together. You might wanna warm it up just so it mixes a little bit easier. And then it's gonna become our filling for our tortillas. And I'll have all the amounts for this recipe listed in the description. So there are quite a bit of ingredients, but it's really easy to put together. So now I'm just mixing the green onion, the cilantro, and the cheese together. I have a 1/4 measuring cup here. I'm just gonna scoop it out and stick it on my tortilla. I ended up using about 3/4 of a cup for each. And it just wraps up perfectly. You can eat these hot or cold as well. Perfect for lunch. Thanks for tagging along with me as we whipped up those two super simple recipes. I hope that you give those a try this summer and realize how easy meal prepping can be. And if you're in the mood for some more really easy and really delicious recipes to whip up for meal prep this summer, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. I'll put my handle in the description and make sure you check out all the recipes that I post. Every Sunday, I document my whole meal prep process. And so you'll have lots of different recipes to choose from. Until next time, I will see you soon.